Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? So I just want to make a quick response to Call Wave TV or Call Wave, Chigos and Okukondem. That man that made a video in response to my reaction to that video. All right. So let me start by telling you that I am not a violent person. I am not. I don't drive joy in going all this back and forward comment. That's not my type. But sometimes it is always good for you to clear air on some important issues that some people may see and believe that that is where it is. You have right to say whatever you want to say. If you choose to lie or pretend that you are what you are not, that is on you. That's your choice. I don't live such life. So I will start by addressing the issue of the man himself before going to Chigoze. Okay, but let me say this, like many of you that followed me here, you can bear me witness. I'm not the type that like to promote violence or lie to anybody. Then, few things, you can see that I'm just writing on that without playing your voice, because normally I'm supposed to play your voice so that I'll be responding to everything that you said there. But for the fact that I don't want to, because I don't want it to be a kind of going toe to toe with your nonsense comment and all that. I have to do it this way. First thing first, I was thinking that the man Okekendem is, that he's following wrong people, probably maybe on social media on WhatsApp group. If you have listened to that, if you have watched that my video, you may relate better because I said it there that I assume that this man is listening to cut and join voice notes flying everywhere on internet without paying the attention to the situation on ground. Little did I know that the problem this man have is the owner of the channel, which is Chigoze. You are the one feeding him lies, Chigoze, and like I said, you are the problem that this man is having. He says something. Okindom says something. He said that I'm calling for your arrest. I don't call for your arrest. What I said is that doing this kind of propaganda you guys are doing, like you cook up story. Do you know the gravity of what you said? I think what I said, recruiting people to buy people in our land. That's what you said, and that statement alone, you need to apologize. Like if you happen to be in a country that is that following rule of law, or that I'm not saying they should jail you or call for your head. And for your information, I'm not calling Nigerian government anybody to go after you. I'm kicking against it. Why will I be the one promoting that kind of thing? I don't. If you see it that way, that's not what I mean. But I don't blame you for saying that, because that's what you guys are doing on the platform. For you to say that people are buying Musa boys and all that, to me, it did not go down well with me. It may be okay with other people, but to me, I don't like it, because you are saying what you are not sure of. We can agree on that. Then you say that I am farting everywhere. Look at me. All right? I'm farting everywhere. I have more muscle than all of you combined. Then you trying to body shame me. You are joking. I am far better than you, physical fit and everything. So don't just go there. I don't want to go hard on you because of I believe you are a mature man. You shouldn't be in this circle of this kind of discussion, where people are talking. Because if I happen to explain, to reply you the way I'm supposed to, you may shed tears, and I don't want to go there. I'm talking to you, Okokondem. Please just mind yourself and just focus on what you're saying. I'm not trying to get problem between you and anybody. I like you. I've been watching you for a very long time. So I don't have any reason to pick you as an enemy. I don't intend to have any single enemy. But I cannot, because I don't want you to see him as an enemy and begin to massage words when I know that you are trying to deceive people with your comment. If truly you have evidence of what you are saying about Ngozi Rebeze, bring it on. Everything I've said about Ogenkere based on what is on social media. Like you said, you listen to Ngozi Rebeze, and what she said is you don't like it. I respect you for that. But why don't you also pay attention to what Ogenkere is saying? I'm coming to that. Because in as much as you claim that you are an analyst, or you are a very good listener and all that, your problem is the guy that you are appearing on this platform. This guy called Chigos is your problem. I was saying that he's a sensible man, but while listening to him calling me names, he just That's one of his mistakes he made. But because I was trying to ignore him, I don't know that he's this. Trying with his fake accent, faking accent in somewhere in Obamosha. A crazy man. You called me a madman. I'm coming to you now because let me start by letting you know that you are not different from others. You can't pretend. I know what you're doing. I've been watching you when you have not even opened your channel. When you are appearing on people's this Yoruba guy platform, you normally appear there and air your opinion and all that. Fine. But for you to look at me and say I'm a madman, oh, don't reply to this madman, look at you. Didn't madman. Look at you. Just look at it. Take a very good look at yourself. Some of you open mouth. I want to be kind and nice to people, but not for every non-entity. You said that probably I crossed through Mediterranean Sea to be where I am today and all that nonsense. As if you see chance to do that, you have not done that. Are you comfortable with? Are you saturated with what you have around you? Okok. You don't talk to people the way because you can move your tongue and all that. I'm not the type. If you see something that God is doing wrong, criticize it objectively. I respect it. Like Okok them said that she says something about that God called men on grand names and all that. You are not okay with it. I agree, no problem. Did I call you name for that? The answer is no. But I also want you to pay attention to what Ogengere is saying. And let me highlight it before because I don't want the video to be too long. I just want you to this is just the least I can do. If you go further, then I'll have a live stream on you guys. Honestly, I'm not that kind of person. I'll have a live stream on you guys. Then you bring it on because sometimes you people think that it's about Nigeria, no, it's a Nigerian government, Nigerian army. I am not here promoting any arrest or attack of anybody. Not at all. This platform doesn't support any violence. What I'm saying is that if you say that Ngozi have done this and done that with evidence, I will be the first to criticize that. Give it a try. Bring one of the evidence. But if Ojo Deba, if you don't like her and Ogenkere, how can you tell me that you are contented with Ogenkere, knowing what you know about him? Your ear is active when Ngozi says something negative or something you don't like, then your ear begin to function. But you turn deaf and dumb and blind once Ogenkere said what he said. You said that because one of the things that you mentioned on that this your recent video is that he called me a Kai. Don't you hear what when Ngozi called lobbyists name and called them criminal, right? According to what you said. Now, speaking of calling names, Biafra was declared, right? Then after the declaration, what happened? A group of people whom you guys are supporting now surfaced on social media, begin to drag everybody on social media. To you, it is okay, it is the right thing to do. Then, not only that, the same guy have been calling on entire Igbo race names. Go and check on Barawa's platform. Do you know how many names? If you doubt me, I have some screenshots. I can share it with you. Screenshot calling Igbo people names. Then you were not happy when CS called lobby names. You don't even mind the way lobby address her. I don't want to go there because I'm not here to represent CS to speak for her or her spokesperson. No. What I'm trying to tell you, I'm not saying she's angel. If she made a mistake, if you say something that you don't like, fine, call it out, spell it out the way it is. Then don't forget the other guy. You cannot be harboring somebody who have the same similar questionable character according to your own judgment. If you say that somebody maybe another person or CS call somebody an idiot, for example, and you are not okay with it, then when another person said the same name, call the same name, insultive word, you are okay with it. That means you're a hypocrite. I agree on that. Just accept it. Then when she called the lobbyist name that you mentioned, you are not happy with it. Fine. When they asked Ogenkere about the money, he called them Ndachikote Kwon, Biafrans. Meaning to you, as a very good, reliable and trusted, lovely Biafran, you say you are. When they insult your people, you are okay with it. But when you result a white man, you have issue with it. Simply because PM that lobby formed, lobby that PM formed, you don't like it, it's a problem. So now Barawa insulted Igbo people time with that number. calling them names. You are there in your platform where you do your analysis. The same Biafran that you are bragging they declared. Group of people who call themselves Biafran that you are supporting, keep on calling them Arab Fulani, USB in Nigeria, USB charger. And proudly you are out defending that and telling me that I am defending, or you said that she's my madam. That's at your age. Oh, God, them. You don't even know difference between somebody's madam and somebody who are trying to call it that the way it is. You should know better. Not this hunter that's beside you. Chigos is a very senseless human being. And like I said, if you go further, we go further. I'm not here to cap. If you want me to tell you the way, what I feel about you, I will tell you. First thing first, I don't hate you. But for you to call me unprintable names, I see you watch your body language when you are trying to. Don't mention that with your faking. You are faking accent, fake accent. You are trying to tell me pronounce as an English person, isn't it? Be proud of who you are. If you're a man enough, you can say that I'm not man enough. That I'm a boy. I'm this and that. Like I said, Oga, looking at your age, okay, I will tell you if you can make yourself in another beginning. Just be careful. You don't know me, I don't know you. You even said it on your video that we already know ourselves here on social media and on video, which is true, gospel truth. But since you don't know me, why are you calling me that I'm not man enough? What do you know about me? What exactly do you, what since you're a man, what have you done that I have not done? Mention one. You're a man, isn't it? What have you done as a man that I have not done for you to question my manhood? In I said my brain, because some of you don't understand what you are saying. Some of you, out of emotion, maybe somebody. I'm just saying. I'm not saying that somebody paid you money because I know you guys are quite very very quick to twist word. That's why I have to put this disclaimer. I'm not saying that you have been paid. Unlike what you guys are saying about me, nobody paid me money. But if you claim they paid me, I challenge you to come on live video and swear. I will tell you how to swear, not this word. I will just tell you what. Very easy. Very, very simple. Swear that I have received a pardon from anybody to say anything. I'm not that way. Okay? I'm not like that. And maybe some of you, because you might even make on it and doesn't name. Maybe that's what you guys are doing. Because probably you may have watched a video where some people claim that they were paid $400 to say something or to do something because they are broadcasting and all that. But maybe that's why you are starting who you are starting now. That's why you are supporting them. Okay, you are trying to side them because of that money. You are waiting for $400 to click on your account. Maybe because for you to assume that she's my madam. Do you know what is madam? That I'm answerable to her. I'm not answerable to anybody. The same way she's leading Biafra is the same way she's leading. If you're a boyfriend, then she's your leader. Whether you like it or not. Then if you say no, she's a madam and all that, you are segregating though. And at the same time, you are in love with the PM. You love what PM is doing. You PM what the structure PM build. Then PM gave her surrogate. You disagree. None of you, even your guy did not disagree that surrogate did not come. They started doing cooking up stories to imagine if Ogenkere is the one that's told lead, hold this position until I come. Look at what he's doing now. You are trying to deviate from what I said. When I said that you are doing that because you are one of those who don't want women to lead. You're trying to do play this kind of game. I have a mother. My mother is a woman. Your mother is a woman yet. Your mother is a woman yet. Can debunk what I said objectively? That truly you are not doing what you're doing because she's a woman. Or if not, tell me that COS that everybody know that she is the CS. PM gave her power to deputize him in his absence. That message is clear. None of you people that you are following have come out and said it's not true. They agreed, yet they don't obey. Telling me that because you guys are trying to paint it as if what you are saying is based on the decentralization of army and centralization of army and all this nonsense and all. That's not my problem. Whether you centralize it or you did not decentralize it, or that's not my problem. My problem is the reaction. And mind you, you guys have started supporting him, supporting Ogenkere. Like I said, I'm following you guys bumper to bumper. Watch your video. I'm not here to tell you, nah, I don't want. You guys always pretend that I don't watch your video. Who is following this madman? I do watch your video if I see. Are you getting my point? And you have started taking side before the issue of decentralization. Don't lie. I do watch you. Don't, because some of you like the hunter man, close to you. If I want to analyze you, Chigos, I will do that happily. But if you try to step out again, making a nonsense, if you want to make a video about me, just talk about what I said objectively. But this issue of talking like a market woman, body shaming and all that nonsense, if you do that, I will tell you everything about it. I will give you your skeleton. I dare you to try it again. I'm not here. You have platform to do that. I do. I have mine. So you can see who do you think that we see analyze each other better. You keep on that this your fake accent is not my issue. My issue is that you have proven that you are one of those who probably may poison people because they're abroad. Because one of imagine what does where I stay has to do with what we're talking about. For you to bring it in your statement simply means that you are not contented with who you are and what you have achieved. That's why you are angry. And that anger you have been seen on your video. The man is sensible, but more reasonable than you. Okay, is more reasonable than you. At your age, you don't even understand what I'm saying. He's more reasonable. You are the one brainwashing him. Of course, you guys are going to deny it. But I'm telling you, seeing what I've seen from your video, this your recent video where you claim that you are responding to Kai report, you have exposed yourself, but you don't know. If I bring that your video and your everything you said there to analyze, Biafran will know you more. I'm not bragging about it. You know what you are doing. You know who you are. To tell you that I do watch your video, Chigos, I watch a video where you are trying to mock Mr. Sia, who is now because he said that you watch you research about the centralization of. What is your issue about centralizing or decentralizing of an army? If they want to centralize or decentralize it shouldn't be a burden to you. But if that is what they want, so be it. Whatever it may be, as long as our life is protected, I'm okay. I'm in. I'm not here to tell you, oh, staff men on ground, oh, staff men on ground. I'm just telling you the way it is. I'm not the one to dictate for men on ground. I'm not in that position. If you don't like CS or USB government, it is normal. You must not like everything. You must not like everything. You have rights. You have your God-given right to choose side whatever you want to side. But this idea of doing propaganda and all that, and the cook said that is not Kai report. Are you not doing propaganda? Mention one. Do you know what is mean of propaganda? Propaganda is when you cook up story that's not existing and push it out as if it's real. For example, I may tell you that I'm making a video now. I would may say, okay, do you know who I am? That I'm this country that I'm living in now, that I'm one of the top politicians, that I have access to everything which I don't have. And then I'm saying that for you to be afraid of me. I will be saying that for you to think that I have everything. Or maybe I will tell you that you are, trying to belittle you, to lie against you. There's many ways, but this one, what I'm saying is something that you can see on social media. You can actually research about it and go and check if that is true or not. Go and check if what I said is true or not. But you cannot just be on your own quiet zone, maybe your hiding place, and start telling me that I'm doing propaganda. On what one? Bring that propaganda that I have done. I have not even thought that on men on ground. Never. People that you are following and like you told me about Adadorama, that I should go and listen to the leaked audio of Adadorama's program. But you did not listen to Adadorama when he was calling men on ground names. That the Igbo Butos want to buy people in the church. The video is there. The video is there. In this her platform, you ignore that. Yet you want people to take you serious. What a hypocrite. Say it the way it is. You cannot eat your cake and have it. Are you getting my point? You cannot eat your cake and have it. You want to follow Gekere. Good and fine. Do you think that I'm here to tell you that Gekere should be fired or arrested? I'm not here for that. I don't support anything violence or criminality. That's what I'm telling you. I'm not saying it for you to like me. I'm being real. But I know from day one you guys started taking side. The same Chigos, that is pushing you to say, using you to do content. Why don't you let him come out and do video alone? Let him come out and keep on without going on the street and picking people to do this thing. We know his tactics. And immediately when he changed, he realized that he have changed. What did he do? He started reporting Nigerian news. Like I say, I'm following you, Oga. I know what you're doing. Starting reporting Nigerian news, which is good. I'm not saying you should not report, but I'm trying to tell you that you know what you're looking for, and dragging me to that is no gay area. Is no gay area. And this is, let me say, now I'm not giving you warning, but this is the last I can give you. If you keep pushing and trying to call me names again, then I will come out. I did not call you name here. That I call you didn't, that is not, it's just normal, the basic one, the least I can tell you. But if you keep on with this your nonsense activities again, I will go ahead on you. Why I made the ration in first place is because your title is rumor. And you said that Okon going to expose Kai report. Look at your title. Okay, can expose Kai. What did he expose about me? The man said he poured his mind. I respect him on that. He poured his mind the way he feel. Even though I was expecting him to say something, what you are saying, because my video is more on him than even you. But you decided to buy the whole matter and you want to sell. Now I'm ready to give you that market. Do another video, and I'll end it here.